Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. Country Roads by John Denver. We're playing, like for example, in the intro, just an A major chord. You can hear that boom, 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 which is playing the thumb. It will take some time for you to master that probably. Second fret, index finger, D string, and the G string, the middle finger on the second fret, and the ring finger and the second fret of the B string. Or you play it like this. A bar here with the index finger on the D and G string in the second fret, and the middle finger goes into the second fret of the B string. Whatever fits you best. I rest my hand here on the bridge. And I do like this. I pluck with my thumb the A string, and then with the index finger I kind of hit the strings with my nail with a downstroke, and I go up again right after. But don't do it too hard, it's really soft. And after you've done that, you play the low E string with the thumb. And then again, the index finger does his thing. Try to make it in a low volume maybe at the beginning. Then after 2 bars, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the intro. We go into the verse, which also starts with the A. For 1 bar. And then we go to the F sharp minor chord, where we also play the pattern twice, but here if you play the bar chord F sharp minor, index finger, second fret, E string, ring and pinky go in the 4th fret of the A and D string, and the index finger also presses down in the 2nd fret the G, B and E string. We have the bass note moving, as I may call it. We're starting on the E string. So it's E, index finger is doing his down up thing, and then the A string. E, A. And it goes to E major. So middle finger, 2nd fret A string, ring finger, 2nd fret D string, index finger, 1st fret G string. Then half a bar D major, index finger, 2nd fret G string, ring finger, 3rd fret B string, middle finger, 2nd fret E string, and the thumb changes between D string and A string. Just the pattern once. And back to A. And at the end of the verse, before we go into the chorus, we just play D, as I said before, half a bar, and A, half a bar. The first round of the verse we had at the very end A for a whole bar. We start the chorus again on A. Roads, take me E major to the F sharp minor and to D major, westward A major, mountain E major. Take me D major, country A major. After you play the intro, verse and chorus, you play another verse, exactly the same, and another chorus which is exactly the same, and then we play the bridge. The bridge nearly 100% takes the same chords, just at one point we have a G chord there, but the order and the length of the chord differs from the other part. So we start on F sharp minor again for just half a bar, and then to E major half a bar, and to A major for a whole bar. And then to D major half a bar, A major half a bar, and E major a whole bar. And again F sharp minor, and then comes the G. D half a bar, A half a bar, E for 2 bars. And then we have 2 choruses after that, which are exactly the same as before. But let's take a look at the G chord, which we put in there. A regular G chord it is, but you have to take a look at the picking thing. So it's middle finger 3rd fret E string, index finger 2nd fret A string, and ring finger 3rd fret E string. So far so good, but we have to jump here. We play first the root note, which is on the E string, and then we do down, up, and then we play the open D string and do the down, up. So it's E, down, up, D, down, up. And then we go to the next chord. Press country A, take me home to the F sharp minor and to the D, rest the A major, mount E major, to the D, country A major. You play that twice, and after that you play again E major for 1 bar, roads, take me A major, country E major, take me A major. Ain't Talking About Love by Van Halen. So let's start out with the intro, the one that everybody knows. So we start out with an A minor chord, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. And we play the A, D, B, G string. And we don't play them open, but we mute them with our picking hand. We put our palm on the strings here at the bridge, everything played with downstrokes. Then we play the open E string, and then we need to play 1st fret E string, so we need to put our index finger there. Open E string, 1st fret, and then again 1st fret B string and 2nd fret G string. That's the first part. Then we go to the G chord, which we play like this. Ring finger and pinky go to the 3rd fret of the B and E string, and the middle finger goes to the 3rd fret of the low E string. And we play the E, B, and then the low E string. And then we play 3rd fret A string with the middle finger, 2nd fret with the index, and back to the 3rd fret A string. And on this note we play a little vibrato. We just shake the note like this, the whole intro. Play it 4 times, and then we come to the part which is actually chorus part, but it's still played in the intro, but we play this stuff later and the chorus too, so it's... You see, this is quite similar to what we just did, but we don't play that many single notes, but we play more chords. We play the A minor again, and we play one time open chord. Okay, and after that we play 2 times the muted low A string. And again the open chord. So open chord, muted strings 2 times, and then open chord again. And then we play a muted low E string. And then we play a very cool version of a G major chord. Just put the middle finger into the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then we mute the A string with this finger. See? A string is muted, and then D, G, and B string. Yeah! This is what you do for the first time. And the second time is a little different. Instead of this run, you do 2 times 5th fret G string, and then you slide up to the 7th fret, you hit it again, you slide into the 9th fret, you hit it again, and slide into the 12th fret. And then again. And the 4th time, we have again a little lick. You play with the ring finger in the 7th fret of the G string a whole tone bending. 4 times, and at the 4th time you play a little vibrato on it on top. And then we come to the verse. Again, things we already did, but a tiny little different. So we play again A minor. We start out again with muted strings, A, D, B, G. And then we go with the 1st finger into the 1st fret of the E string. And then we play again the G string, where still the ring finger is waiting. And then we play our G chord, but only ring finger and pinky in the 3rd fret of the B and E string and the open G string. And then, again, our little run here, the whole thing goes like this. Chorus. Talking about love. Ain't talking about love. And again, verse. And so on. This goes throughout the whole song. You don't have any other crazy new parts there. Make sure to check out in the video description my free lessons, which will help you to get through my channel, The World of Guitar. It's a good start for you, and don't be hanging there if you're just a beginner and say, well, this is too hard for me. Check out the free lessons. You will get a good basis and have a lot of fun with playing music from the very first video on. So, thanks for tuning in. My name is Hannes, and see you in the next video. Bye!